Ito ang aking pangako, pag-ibig na di maglalaho. To be patient, to be kind and to be true, to love and to be loved by you.
Yura, grabe talagang new gen phenomenal o ang rom-com king and queen na sina Bel Mariano at Donnie Pangilinan. Iba talaga magpakilig ang Don Bell, umaabot na rin sa South Africa. Number 3 at number 5 yesterday. Top trending shows overall in the Philippines ang How to Spot a Red Flag. Pati rin sa South Africa, number 4 from to 10 yesterday ang How to Spot a Red Flag doon. Most watched view original and North Africa. Iba talaga ang Dandal. Congrats!